Ready to ditch complicated crypto conversions and fund your Bybit account directly with your local currency? Let's dive in. First, log into your Bybit account and navigate to the Assets tab in the top right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to all things funding. Next, find and click on the Deposit button. This is where you'll initiate the process of transferring funds into your account. Now, select the Fiat tab. This specifies that you want to deposit traditional, governmentist currency. You'll then see a drop-down menu. Use that to choose the specific currency you want to deposit, like USD, EUR, or GBP. After selecting your currency, Bybit will display the available payment methods. These may include bank transfers directly from your bank account, or payment gateways like AdCash or Banksa, depending on your region and chosen currency. Choose your preferred method and carefully enter the amount you wish to deposit. You'll then be guided through a series of on-screen instructions specific to your chosen payment method. For example, if using a payment gateway, you might be redirected to their site to complete the transaction. Once you've followed all the steps and confirmed the transaction, you'll typically see a confirmation screen with the details of your deposit, including the estimated processing time. Keep in mind that processing times can vary depending on the method you used. Finally, return to the Assets tab to check your account balance. Once the deposit is processed, you should see the funds reflected in your account, ready for trading. Happy trading!